They are now realizing why they should have never played in your energy. They try to hide you. They try to siphon your energy. They try to capture your energy for themselves. For some of you, they try to embody your energy. And Spirit has had enough. They wanted you to feel like an outsider for some of you. For some of you, they wanted you to be self-reliant on them. They wanted you to be codependent on them. Now they are watching their foundations crumble. You know, who they may have aligned with in regards to playing in your energy. They are now realizing that this individual is unstable. And because they were connected with this unstable energy, it has seeped over into their own life. They were very chaotic, you know. They kept trying to trigger you, trying to humble you, threatened by your power, threatened by your natural leadership abilities. They wanted to push you off your throne and place themselves on there. So they tried to isolate you from certain groups. For some of you, they tried to get you kicked out of a job. Now this individual is seeing that they have to cling on to connections. If they are still in certain connections, these connections are built off faulty ground. People do not want to accept this person's offers anymore. This person is learning that they cannot block you anymore. They never had the power to. And that's how you know this individual is very deluded, because they really felt like they could play God in your life. If they did create certain blockages in the 3D, these blockages are removed. They tried to cage you in spiritually, energetically, because what they wanted for you was to crash out. They were poking the bear behind the scenes. You gain an inkling as to what was happening, but you didn't have proof. And for some of you, you may have tried to tell others about this person's behavior towards you, but it wasn't seen in the physical. So it was like you were trapped in your own personal hell. Now this person is experiencing the personal hell that they tried to throw your way. They're going through tower moments, or they will go through tower moments, to know that you are still reigning supreme, standing victorious, going towards your goals, pouring into your passions, pouring into yourself. You are evolving, you are expanding in your career, in your love life. Everything that this person, or whoever these people are, everything that they wanted for you, they're going to see that you're going to receive it. You see, what they don't understand is every time they try to throw energy your way, you alchemized it. They did not know, and they do not know who they are dealing with. They thought you were some type of regular degular. No disrespect, but they thought that you were unaware. They thought that you didn't know who you were. And for some of you, you may have forgotten who you were until you met this person. You see, what they don't understand is that they were part of the plan, because some of you were forgetting about who you were. And Spirit was like, okay, I'm going to remind you. I'm going to remind you how powerful you are, because you're going to clock this boss. You know, like in a Mario game, guys, where you have to clock a boss to go to that next level. Yeah, this is similar to that. You're going to slay this demon. You weren't aware of it. You may have gone into that situation with this person thinking to yourself, oh, this person's nice. You know, they're jovial. Looking at this person like how you view yourself. Feeling like you can gain some sense of community with this individual, when all along this person was trying to destroy you. But what they didn't realize was that they were dealing and trying to come up against a warrior. You see, it took for them to align with clowns to try and take you down. Okay? And they may have tried to use spell work behind the scenes to ambush you, and it still didn't work. Because every time they tried to play in your energy, use people in the 3D to spiritually bully you, you gained more strength. You tapped deeper into your power. You poured into your creativity and that raised your vibration. So every time this individual or these people tried you, you were alchemizing it, and that energy was getting sent back. And you see, these individuals ain't built like you, because what's going to actually occur now, because of their refusal to leave you alone, is that they're going to be in cahoots, and not in a good way, with officials. You know, for some of you, they could lose their job. Their mask will slip. If they built their reputation of being a matriarch, those days are over. People are going to see this person as very vindictive, very envious and jealous of you as well. Very selfish. Someone that only seeks connections for their own benefit. Someone that lacks self-love. Someone that is extremely jealous of other females. Someone that's not a girl's girl. And someone that repels others. You see, this person wanted to create an energy of being caring, being kind. This could be a family member for some of you. This could be someone that you met at a mother and baby group. This could be a neighbor. Please take what resonates. This could be someone at work. For so long, they were giving off this energy that they were this nurturing, compassionate energy. And they used a lot of manipulation to garner connections with others. But these connections were built off faulty grounds. They showed one face to the world, but you saw the truth behind the mask. And that could be the thing for some of you. Maybe this person knew that you could sense who they really were. For others of you, this person feels like they're so slick, I don't even think they suspected that you could read their energy. And what was winding this person up is that every time they tried to put traps in your way, you maneuvered them traps. And they felt like you were smarter than them. Like, how did you know? Like, how did you know I was going to do that? But your spirit guides were literally laughing after them. You got two very powerful spirit guides. They were literally laughing after them. Like, is that all you got? That type of energy. And the more you poured love into yourself, the more love returned back to you. And that's one of the reasons why whatever this person was trying to send out to you, or whoever they aligned with, it didn't work. And sure, you know, I feel like it may have had an effect. Their behavior may have had an effect, because I feel like it was quite long standing for some of you. And unfortunately, you endured a lot. Because these individuals, they operate in the darkness. They stuff down their traumas. And their way of healing their traumas is to project their traumas onto individuals like yourself, who are of the light, who exude and embody love, who spread love. They don't like that type of energy, even though they try and build their reputation off that type of energy. You see, you're a mirror to this individual as to who they are not. And that's why they targeted you. Because for so long, they were able to manipulate others that they were the real deal. But coming up against someone like your energy frightened them. Because this person doesn't operate in love. This person operates in fear. And yes, we can all get fearful from time to time, but they operate in greed, selfishness. They don't like to share. This is the type of person that even when they're in a relationship with someone, they want to be served. They don't believe in an equal balance of give and take. Okay? And if they do give to a partner, it's transactional. They're not open with their emotions. They're quite mean, actually, once they get someone to be in a relationship with them. They're very nitpicky, emotionally abusive as well. And This is the type of person that can actually wound someone's soul if they get into a relationship or a friendship with them romantically. But because they have given so much to you, you will feel obligated to stay around them. They have this thing whereby they can make you feel guilty if you want to remove yourself, because you'll be thinking in your head, oh, they done this for me, they done that for me. But they're actually trying to break you down emotionally and spiritually in the process. So it's a very toxic cycle that they get people in. I'm hearing the word mean-spirited. And everything that this person wanted for themselves, they're going to see you get it. This could be in regards to a love relationship. This could be in regards to you actually pouring into yourself more, because this person, whether or not they were aware of it, they were trying to spiritually bully you to the point whereby you stopped pouring into yourself. You start to doubt yourself. You start to disconnect from who you really are. You start to weaken. And every time you reacted, it gave this person a sense of power. And Spirit is saying that if you are in this dynamic right now, you need to pour more love into yourself and realize that you don't deserve this type of treatment from anyone. And if you are putting up with this type of energy, Spirit is urging you to look at why you are putting up with this type of energy, because it doesn't make you feel good. What benefit are you getting from this type of energy? And some of you could be feeling to yourself, yeah, but if I don't talk to this person or pick up the phone to this person, I'm going to be alone. Who am I going to talk to? You see, this person's also a dream blocker. They are a gatekeeper, and they have been blocking your blessings. Once they remove themselves, or once you remove this person from your life, trust me, you will see that you are loved by many. But because this person's energy was all over your energy, they were energetically blocking any new suitors, any new friends, any new business connections from coming through. Literally trying to seal anyone new that would be of benefit to you coming through. But once that plug gets pulled and all their toxic, dense energy drains down the pipes, you will see the love that you attract. Because you are looking at this person through how they view themselves. They don't rate themselves. They're unhappy. They're depressed. They're miserable. They're stuck as well. And they want to keep you stuck. They didn't want you to see that you are a blessing. You are of magic. You are beautiful. You are an individual that most people in their right mind would love to connect with on a friendship level, on a romantic level, to do business with. But this is not the type of person that will tell you that. This is the type of person that will tell you otherwise, or try to block you from connecting with others. And in the past, they may have done this and they were sniggering to themselves, because they see the leader within you, but they didn't want you to see the leader within yourself. And that's why they were doing the most. That's why they were playing mind games with you, so that you doubt yourself. That's why they were delaying you. But what they didn't know is that you are more spiritually powerful than they could ever imagine. You alchemize whatever they sent you, and whatever they sent you has been returned back, because your frequency is radiating much higher now, so it can't hit you. And this is the situation with this person, or it will be. This is what they wanted for you, but this is what they sent out to you. This is the type of energy they sent out to you that's going to be returned on their doorstep. And like I said, they will not be able to cope. For some of you, if they have spiritual powers, if their spiritual powers are strong, for some of you they are, but they chose to use it for the bad, they're going to think of you when they're going through this time. this downhill spiral. They're going to be thinking of you. They're going to be thinking about what they did to you, which caused, or which will cause this state of affairs. For others of you, this person won't even connect the dots. I'm hearing, oh, woe is me, not realizing that it's actually them that caused this situation themselves, because of all the energy of stuckness, stagnancy, feeling a sense of lack, feeling a sense of uncertainty. This is what they wanted for you. All those energies are going to be sitting with them, and they're going to feel stuck and confused as to how to work through these energies that they created. They're going to be forced to heal.